A Perc test determines whether a site can support a conventional septic system for a tiny house, and it is the single most important step before you commit to a build location. A proper Perc test measures how quickly water moves through the soil so you can match a drain field design to the tiny house use profile. Hire a licensed soil scientist or your local health department to perform a standardized test and make sure they record pre-test digging depth, soil texture, and seasonal high water table observations. Conduct Perc tests at representative locations where the drain field would realistically sit, not just the nicest dry spot on the property, and test multiple holes if the site shows variable soil or slope. Interpret percolation rates against your local code thresholds and translate those rates into required trench lengths or bed areas using the standard design tables your inspector accepts. If the Perc fails, plan for alternatives like a raised mound system, an aerobic treatment unit that improves effluent quality, or a permitted holding tank with regular pump outs while weighing long-term cost and maintenance. Keep precise written results and sketches to speed permitting and to provide clear instructions to installers so the tiny house footprint and utilities align with the approved drain field. Common issues include getting a false pass because tests were done during an unusually dry season, so repeat testing during typical wet conditions or review seasonal water table notes to avoid surprises. Another problem is misplacing the test holes on an unrepresentative spot, which leads to failed inspections when the actual drain field is installed. So always locate holes where the field will be sited and test several spots if the property is heterogeneous. A third concern is misreading percolation rates relative to local code, which can cause an undersized system and frequent backups. So have a professional convert the rate to design area, and if the site fails, get quotes and preliminary layouts for mound, aerobic, or holding tank options to make a timely decision. We run BigHomeProjects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and to help contractors find work related to small home septic and soil testing projects. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and pros share field experience, photos, and practical tips about Perc testing and alternative systems.